Neurochrome Vault is now in general availability. Your 3D print library finally has a home. Browse hundreds of releases visually, search instantly, and open the model you actually want without digging through endless folders and archives. Each release keeps its artwork, metadata, scale, files, and printing context together in a single place. Preview the model instantly, inspect size and mesh statistics, and decide before you ever extract an archive. When you need more detail, open the full 3D viewer and examine the mesh directly inside the vault. Use studio lighting controls to reveal forms, silhouettes, surface details, and sculpt quality before sending anything to your slicer. Switch between rendering modes for different workflows, including solid, shaded, neon, clay, and resin style inspection. Capture reference images directly into the gallery for painting, documentation, or comparison. Then send the STL directly to your slicer no cloud. No subscription, no vendor lock-in. Your files stay yours. Neurochrome Vault. Your library is now a weapon.